So, I picked up a $10 keyboard from Five Below. What's up, everyone? Justin the Geek here, and welcome to Nerd Cave Media. So yeah, I picked up a $10 gaming keyboard from Five Below. Wait, shouldn't it have been $5 coming from a place called Five Below? Anyway, let's check this thing out. Bugha, never heard of the brand, but from what I gather, and I figured out, it's a collaboration between Bugha, who is the Fortnite World Cup winner, and Five Below. Apparently, there are several peripherals, including a mic, a headset stand, speakers, and a bunch of other things. They're all listed at Five Below for around $10. And again, it doesn't make sense because the place is called Five Below. Shouldn't they be $5? But I apologize, and I'm using a term from Jay's 2 cents here. I digress. So let's check this thing out. So there's not a whole lot in the box. And I'm going to destroy the box because I don't care. Let's see. We've got a keyboard, and that's it. Apparently, it's supposed to be RGB. So let's see. It's RGB, if you want to call it that. It's backlit with RGB, but there's no real adjustment or function. There's only one static movement, either on or off. Other than the USB power cord, no removable keycaps, etc. This is basically just a membrane keyboard. It's got some tactile feel to it, but not much. You're not going to get the click sound you would from like Cherry MX switches or switches like that, but it is what it is. Would I recommend this keyboard? That would be a big fat no. In my opinion, this keyboard is just a hunk of plastic. I mean, look at that deck flex. Shouldn't flex like that. As I stated, it's $10 at Five Below. Again, Five Below. There's a ton of quality budget keyboards out there for less than $30 that may or may not have RGB, but they're most likely a lot better than this hunk of plastic. And that's all I have for this review. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and be sure you hit the subscribe and the bell icon so you know when I post something new. As always, thanks for watching.